So, welcome to Entrepreneur India.
Mm-hmm.
And so, my first question to you is that Amazon is an e-commerce platform, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, what was the need to enter cloud services or cloud computing platform?
Good question. So, after running Amazon.com for about 10 plus years, what we realized at Amazon was that we have built a capability to run these large scale infrastructures um, across the globe. And we said if we can do it for ourselves, then why not offer it to other companies as well? So we went out there and built Amazon Web Services and started offering them to developers, businesses, enterprises. And now it's been 11 plus years, and we are the pioneers in this space globally as well as in India.
I think that is cloud computing really an online future trend?
It's already mainline. It's not future. The cloud is already here. I mean, companies, enterprises, startups, SMB companies, no longer are they saying, should we move to the cloud? The only discussion point is how do we move to the cloud and when do we move to the cloud, right? Which application goes first? Today, if you look at, just look at India. The whole startup space is, of course, completely cloud driven, right? If you're a startup, rarely would you find them not using the cloud. But outside of that, if you look at enterprises, just look at the media space, the space that you belong to, Hotstar, all the digital platforms, they're all built on the cloud with AWS. Hotstar, Voot, NDTV.com, or ABP News, all the big ones that you can think of.
And how do you aim to encourage SMEs towards, getting cloud services?
We're running various programs as AWS where we're going out there and we are trying to educate SMEs and SMBs on the benefits. See, clearly when you're a small company, you don't have the wherewithal or the big pockets of a large company, and hence you need something which, see, you need the best technology still, right? Because you have to compete with the big boys, and cloud allows you to do that. Now you don't need to go invest millions of dollars to try a great technology solution.
They want a reliable option.
A reliable option, and B, it has to be affordable. Right? In the earlier days, it's very similar to electricity. Remember, in the olden times, we had factories, and people used to build their own generators.
Right.
And then the electric grid came, and people started tapping the electric grid. You don't have generators now supplying mainline electricity, right? It's only backup as an option. It's the same for IT. So people were building their own data centers and setting up their own servers, and now people are saying, look, I can probably do this much better with the cloud, where all I do is pay for 2 hours of server usage and 3 hours of analytics and 4 hours of availability. It's as simple as that now.